Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Cole from Lads and Cole. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be more than happy to have you join our family here. If not, well, thanks again for stopping by today. I will be showing you guys how to construct the wig, pluck it, tweeze it, install it, putting it on, melting it down, whatever it is that you want to get from a lace frontal wig tutorial, you will be getting today. So stick around. This is gonna be a 3-part video, so I'm gonna break it down for you guys so that you guys get a little bit more of an understanding, a little bit more details as to what I'm doing, as opposed to me speeding through the whole video. So this is the first part. The first part here will be me tinting the lace and making the frontal. So basically plucking it so you can get a natural hairline like this. There's no baby hair in this, you guys. You guys see this? This is no baby hair. Yeah, no baby hair. Okay, and so stick around, grab a pen and a pencil if you need to, and let's get to learning. So we're going to be starting with our bleach and a 20% developer. Once we have that all mixed in, what I like to do is take a blasting freeze spray or anything that is like a freeze spray, put it at the front of your lace frontal, just so that it can tame all the flyaways and all the hair is back and you don't bleach the hair accidentally. Now you want to apply your bleach on your frontal. If you notice, my bleach is super thick. If you look at it, I like it this way. You can make it a little more runnier, but I find that when it's thick, it's easier for me to spread and not get it into the hair. Once that's done, you're just going to place your lace frontal face down onto an aluminum foil or just a plastic bag and leave that in for 10 to 15 minutes. Now you have it. You see how the lace is completely tinted, and to wash this I just use a regular shampoo and then I rinsed it again with Shimmer Lights or any purple shampoo and conditioner, just to remove any tones that is orange, any brassy tone. We don't want that because our skin is actually not orange. Onto the plucking now. So you can see me parting the front section away. So this just allows us to have room for mistakes. So if you have any mistakes or balding, you will be more likely safe if you parted the front area away. So now I've completely changed the way that I tweeze my frontal. I don't do it section by section anymore. I just clip the hair away in a secure, with a secure pin or clip, and then I begin tweezing going in the direction of the hair. And when you're tweezing, you want to make sure that you're using the back part, not the pointy part of your tweezer, and just glide it down. If it's not coming off, it's okay. Just go to the next section and then come back to it. You don't want to do it uniformly. So what I do is I create like a beat in my head. Sometimes it can be a song. So if I'm singing a song, like your favorite song, it could be the chorus. Just I don't know how to sing, you guys, so I'm not gonna play myself over here, but just do it like if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how I do it, and you're just moving from section to section, and then when you comb out the hair that has been plucked, you will be able to see a gradual difference. When you're done that, you still want to tweeze the front portion. Now, this is a major key for you. You want to pluck the front part of your hair. Like, you do not want it to stay like that. The way you do that is by tweezing section by section. Don't over pluck. In this section, I usually take my time, do like 3 strokes, then go to the next section in places. If your line looks straight, go back and redo it. You're not done yet. And as you can see, I did not put any baby hair, and this is the amount of hair I had from plucking this frontal. Stay tuned till the next video, because then I'll be showing you how to install and sew in your bundles to the wig cap so that it lays super flat, super natural, and get all the tea on that. I hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Till the next time. Bye.